The United States military-industrial complex, or MIC, is the corrupt, disingenuous, monstrous, and the omnipotent force behind the USA's national security decisions, foreign policy, and the endless wars that you find the United States engaging. I tell you why, but first let me describe what the MIC is all about and how it works. The MIC is a network of an immense military establishment made up of the Pentagon, the armed forces of the United States, the intelligence agencies like the CIA, and a large arms manufacturing industry combined with the US Congress. The MIC mafia system operates in an endless vicious cycle of illicit deals where weapons manufacturers, through defense contractors, lobby Congress to approve colossal sums of taxpayers' money to the military, that is Pentagon. Then Pentagon in turn makes the money available to weapons manufacturers in the form of juicy contracts.
According to the organization Open Secrets, defense contractors spent nearly $140 million lobbying the federal government last year. Companies, individuals, and political action committees related to the defense industry directly provided millions of dollars in campaign contributions to members of Congress. They can leverage the monopoly position given to them by the US government to reap enormous profits. In fiscal year 2022, the top 5 US military giants divided over $118 billion in Pentagon contracts among themselves.
In order to sustain its dubious operation, the MIC would often create an artificial or false enemy to create a false sense of insecurity and a security emergency that warrants increases in military spending abroad. Lately, it has turned its hand of destruction towards the Asia-Pacific, or what the US call Indo-Pacific region. As if the Russia-Ukraine war is not enough for profit, it is in the art of convincing many nations in the Asia-Pacific region to hate China in return for false security from the United States.
For decades, this special interest group, formed by the alliance of the military, defense industries, and politicians, has continually instigated conflicts and fomented wars globally. While destroying countless families and causing severe humanitarian crises, it has simultaneously amassed wealth through these wars, evolving into a behemoth capable of dominating the entire American society. According to incomplete statistics, from the end of World War II to 2001, 248 armed conflicts occurred in 153 regions worldwide, with the United States initiating 201 of these conflicts.
This is the MIC, the United States military-industrial complex, the hand that destroys for profit and shares the profits with top politicians in the United States. It's about jobs for few people in America and death to the whole world. Endless wars, endless deaths, and destruction. Each time a bomb explodes, remember, the MIC counts profits and the world counts its dead.